Di daw siya magre-resign kasi hindi niya tinatakbuhan ang problema. Oh, yun na. Tama. Siya man ang problema. I think, hindi, wala man talaga mag-resign dyan. He's not man enough to do it anyway. He's not that kind of person. He cannot even own up to his mistakes. He cannot admit that this country is, like divided. It's in
Mayor, we talk about message.
in ruins right now. Things are easier said than done. So kung gawin na yan, mabuti, di okay, sige. Wala. Ano ngayon? Will that change what you have done to this country in the past 3 years? 20 pesos mo na bigas because if you're really sincere kung ano yung gusto mo, ginawa mo na yan day 1 pa. Ganun lang yun. Bakit? May utang pa tayo ng loob sa kanya pag nagawa niya yan? Sama ni kalibutan na eh.